Chamarajanagar is the hometown for folk art forms in Karnataka.
ಚಾಮರಾಜನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಪದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ.
Kamsale is the most famous form of folk art in Chamarajanagar.
The performers wear a red shirt and put holy ash on their forehead. Each dancer holds a special kind of cymbal to get a unique rhythm for their dance.
Worshipping Lord Mahadeshwara is the main purpose of doing Kamsale. Kamsale can be seen in festivals and fairs of Chamarajanagar.
ಪರಂಪರೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು 12ನೇ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ದೀಕ್ಷೆ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳು.
Gorara Kunita is a very attractive form of folk art. Their unique costume consists of bear fur on their heads, holy ash on forehead, colorful dress with a black shawl wrapped around waist. Their dance follows the rhythm of their drums and the melody of their flute.
ಚಾಮರಾಜನಗರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಪವಾಡ ಪುರುಷರಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಲೆಮಹದೇಶ್ವರರ ಒಂದು ಮೂಲ ಜನಪದ ಗೀತೆಯನ್ನು ಹಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ್ಗೆ ಶರಣೋ ಶರಣಯ್ಯ, ಮಾಯಕಾರ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ್ಗೆ ಶರಣೋ ಶರಣಯ್ಯ. ಸಿದ್ದಯ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮಂಟೇದ
Sobane is a selection of songs sung by older women during the weddings and the naming ceremonies. Kolata is a beautiful dance performed and enjoyed by all age groups.
ಸಸ್ಯದಿಂದ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಔಷಧ ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಸುಮಾರು 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಜನನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಗುಣ ಮಾಡಿ
indigenous medical practitioner on the basis of his traditional knowledge heals many illnesses.
We are proud to call Chamarajanagar the treasury of folk tradition. What we have shown so far is only a glimpse of a much larger picture.